Hey collectors and builders, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're gonna check out this drone right here. A 1/18 scale action figure by none other than toysalliance. This is the model FAV-A39 of the Acid Rain World series. Unlike the combat drones that they have rolled out before, this is just a medical drone that doesn't come with weapons. Basically, it's a babysitter to take care of your baby. As usual, Acid Rain World comes with this type of mat box, which is really cool for collectors. The box art, it is great as usual, so it's pretty cool. And check this out, a pelican looking case, a yellow box. Now let's unbox this thing. Wait, what's going on here? Why is it so hard to open up? Hopefully I don't break it. Oh my god. Alright, no wonder. Guys, what are you doing, toysalliance? They gave you this very hard plastic instead of a sponge. So, this is it. This is the baby, another baby. And this is the babysitter. Whoop. This kind of reminds me of Demon Slayer, you know, the box that Tanjiro carries around, and it fits the sister. Anyways, okay, I don't know, guys, why do they? Oh, there's an instruction manual here. Okay, but again, it really doesn't make sense. Anyways, yeah, of course it's a baby. Right. Very cute looking baby. Wait, does it come with the mask? I don't think so, people. And here you go, the BSC-4. Oh, okay, here's the name of the baby. Queen. She's a queen. First thing first, color blue and pink, a little bit of gray, nice wash, looks like a stereo right here, so pretty good. A little bit rough on the surface over here, and you've got what seems like clear plastic. How do you open this? Is this where you open it? I am not too sure, people. So let's open it up. I always guys have trouble trying to figure out this part. Can you just open like this? Man, so noob. What is this? You can actually open this? How do you open this thing? Oh no. Okay, this thing right here, I always rely on this to fix up situation like this. Haha. If all else fails, why didn't I think of that? Okay, so after I open it up, oh man, dude, what's happening? Look at this. Why does it look so complicated? Open it up like this, looking like a spider, but it is not a spider. Thank you guys for watching me struggle with this thing. I really appreciate it. So after you open it up, okay, this is where the legs are supposed to be. This is the bottom. Wow, looks really cool. looks cool. What else am I supposed to do with this? Am I supposed to close it? I am not too sure, guys. This is embarrassing. Okay, I just saw this. See over here? I think you're supposed to attach this. Can you just fix it? Yeah. Okay, you just snap it on like this. So it looks like a walking stereo. Blasting music. Now, how do I open this thing? If you just check out this right here, it says that you can just open it. You know what time is it? Time for this tool to help me out. Ha ha ha. Yo, check this out. What is this thing? Am I supposed to put the baby in here? Okay, let's wrap this up. Literally, we're gonna wrap up this video. Baby! What is this? Oh, just some kind of dust. So cute! Are we gonna wrap it up? Got the baby. And then make sure you put the baby into the babysitter. Okay, and then you close it. Looking cool, people, looking cool. And then, where's the father? Here's the father. I am your father. And here's your baby brother. So overall, I think it's a pretty good addition to the 1/18th scale collection, and especially if you have the Caleb right here, you can reunite his family because you've got the babysitter. So yeah, if you have some spare change, you can probably get the box set, but for me, you know, I don't really care much about the vehicle. I just really like this Caleb right here and the baby that comes with it, as well as the babysitter. So yeah, this again, this is actually my first drone, and yeah, I like it. So I think that's all for today's video. Now, if you enjoyed this episode, feel free to smash some buttons, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I make videos about 1/18th scale action figures and 1/24th scale plastic model kits. So if you're into these kind of things, you know what to do. And I will see you the next episode.